think that there's a hammer in here. Is that what I sound like to you?
That's what you sound like to everyone.
Oh, burn. I'm Chicks with Tricks. Welcome to my channel and join me as I video everything that I am passionate about, from reptiles to jet skis, drifting, and basically anything in between. Headed to Kansas. Superjet's back there. There she is. Alright, we're finally on the road. Just stopped at Starbucks. This thing would focus. Oh, I'll just have it focus on me. Cleaning the windshield. Road trip. Superjet in the bed. Packing light this time. Alright, we're in Oklahoma now. I just had to video the wind machine thingies. Wow, that's just pretty though. It's like an elegant power, you know? Nothing for miles. We made it to Lake Pomona in Kansas. Pomona Lake, and I'm officially excited after an 11-hour drive. Alright, we got Steven, tent expert. Here we are, setting up our tent. You see the Superjet in the back of the truck. It was about an 11-hour drive, easy, daylight, full time. So we'll see if we can actually get this tent set up. That crescent wrench is working really great. We need pliers to unbend it. It's been quite exciting setting up the tent here. Is it going?
Yeah, it's done.
That's
your side.
I said going, not done. Is it done? This is going swimmingly. It's expanding the tent. Oh my god, it's so huge! This is just practice. Saturday. Oh god, I'm dying. And came in third to last every race. First race I couldn't see, and I hurt my back. I subbed really hardcore. Second race was actually good. I could see, changed out my goggles. Still got the same place, but at least it was an honest, good, you know, decent race. Just here to qualify, you know, like I said, I haven't been really focusing on the skis lately, but have fun. Sweet course. Very, very sweet. Ah, the sound of my people. Gotta have the coffee in the morning. My goodness.
Make sure you have your parking permit.
Doggy.
And if you have a tent set up and you camp last night, please make sure you pay for your
Race done. Still did the same place that I've done all weekend. Still fine. Still qualified for finals. So now I have 2 months to get my ass in shape and the ski in shape. So got a lot to do. But once again, huge thanks to Naughty Water, everybody who volunteered, set this up, did a lot of hard work for us to come out here and have fun. So definitely love this lake. Love this course. Everybody ride. Good weekend. Now it's time for an 11-hour drive home.